How do you deal with a little bit too much sun on your face, added with going back out into the heat? I'm in beautiful Lisbon, also sunny Portugal. And despite my best efforts, I ended up getting a little bit too much sun in my nose. Thank you to, I guess, those Scottish genes and the inability to handle any level of sunlight. And I'm going back into the environment now that is very, very hot and a little bit humid. So the things that I'm thinking about are how can I be light, nourishing, and reparative. So these are the 3 steps that I do, actually maybe a little bit of a 4th, to be able to fix what's happening here with the sun. The first step is I use our Bare cleansing oil balm, and I love that because while it is a balm, you're washing it off, and so it leaves your skin super soft and hydrated and clean of all the kind of acidic pollutants. But I love that because it's hydrating without being anything heavy. It's super light because you're kind of taking off and all the hydration is just staying inside your skin. The second thing I do is our Transform, because that is just nourishing and light and refreshing and anti-aging, and a little bit of SPF, but just all around something that's gonna make my face feel. The spray helps to kind of add a little bit more of that hydration, and also has all the anti-agers that I love. And it's light, it's refreshing, and it's like doing super hard work at the same time. So, love it. The last thing I do is a little bit of condition right on my nose because it's super reparative, anti-inflammatory, anti-redness, and healing, particularly where I had that most exposure. So I put it on yesterday. It's already made like a huge difference. You should have seen me yesterday. But yeah, that's a great one. And I just want to keep it here because I want to keep the rest of my face very kind of light and fresh as I go back out into the heat.